I work for a company called Vinci Construction UK, who are a large contractor working in the United Kingdom. At the moment, I'm working on a project in York to refurbish and redevelop the Guildhall for City of York Council. Working with City of York Council, we have social value commitments, and we wanted to work with the local community and local education providers. So we got in contact with York College, who advised us of the courses that they had and where they would need to put placements. And so last year we had somebody from the construction in the built environment, and this year they've sent us a couple of students who are taking part in their T-level programme, and they've been excellent since they've joined us. There's lots of benefits we get from taking on the placement students. They do contribute to the work we do here, so they are involved as a resource for us. They're not a burden. They also have the added benefit that some of my staff that are coming through developing their own experience get the advantage of coaching and mentoring those coming through, which is an important part of their own development.
Everyone's really welcoming, and it was scary at first, and I've just enjoyed meeting different people, different age ranges, people that I would never usually actually have a conversation with. So I've enjoyed just being around different people to usual.
Working with different trades, and you get to learn what they do. Like when the steel frame went up, it was interesting learning how they worked as a team.
I think that the placement complements the college course really well, because some of the things that we were taught in lesson, then it's easier to understand on site when you actually see the structures and you see how things are actually put up, rather than it just being on paper or explained to you. It's important to have work experience, and it puts you ahead of other people if you know the environment of being on site and things like that, rather than just classroom-based learning.
I think the biggest thing I have learned on the placement is that things go wrong within the industry, and through that it's how you problem solve to correct the problem, and that's something you don't learn in classroom learning. It has to be done on your work placement.
I think the main benefit that the placement students have had from coming to work with us is they've got to experience the real working world, and also understand whether the courses and the future careers that they thought that they wanted to do are actually what they want to do. And therefore they're much more likely to pick a career now and a type of skill that they're going to follow through. We unfortunately get quite a few people that join us on apprentice routes who after a few years realise that they've chosen the wrong career path for them, and then they sadly drop out of what they're doing. I would definitely take on placement students on my future projects. I think it's been a fantastic benefit to us. I think it's been a fantastic benefit to them.
My mum said that when I come home after work I'm always smiling.